Whenever it is required to share audio between several matrices of the same installation, it will be necessary to install the Dante module in each of the matrices. Remove the rear cover screws of the matrix. Insert the MPX-4088 module using the guides on the matrix itself. Tighten the module until it fits properly and replace the screws that we had previously removed. Once installed in each of our matrices, we must download the AUDINATE control software from the link in the video description. After installing and running this program, we must redirect outputs 1 to 8 of the first MPX-4088 module to inputs 1 to 8 of the second, and so on. And outputs 1 to 8 of the last module, MPX-4088, to the inputs of the first module, input 1 to 8, as shown in this example. Next, in the matrix program itself, we must redirect the net inputs and outputs of all the MPX-4088 matrices, making a diagonal between the net inputs and outputs, as shown below. We want to share an analog input of a matrix in the net channels, so that it is visible and selectable as an audio source by the rest of the matrices. We must select the analog input we want, mark it in the channel we want, and then mark it from the net diagonal, as follows. In this image, the analog input channels 1, 2 and 3 have been assigned to the analog outputs 1, 2 and 3 of the matrix. And in turn, the input channels 1, 2 and 3 have been sent to the net channels 1, 2 and 3. If we want to extract this audio from the net channels in another matrix of our network, we only have to select the desired net channel and mark it in the corresponding analog output. In this case, the net 1 channel will be on the analog output 1 of the matrix. An optional module for our MPX-4088 matrices will allow us to share digital audio between all the matrices in our installation.